In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give access to a developer on Shopify. Now, this process is straightforward and will help ensure your developer has the right permissions to work on your store without compromising any sensitive data. Let's dive in and get started. Once you've already added the developer as a collaborator to your Shopify account, the first step is to click on the Settings option, which you'll find conveniently located at the bottom left-hand corner of your Shopify dashboard. This is really the control center for all your Shopify store configurations, so it's something you'll be using quite often if you're making adjustments to your store. After clicking on Settings, you'll want to focus your attention on the left panel of the screen. Here, locate and click on Users. This section is crucial because it allows you to manage everyone who's involved with your Shopify store, making it simple to see who has access and control their permissions as needed. With the Users section open, the next action is to click on Roles. By doing this, you'll be taking a significant step in ensuring the right access is assigned to the right people. Roles are essentially predefined sets of permissions that allow certain actions or restrict access to certain areas of your store. These predefined roles help maintain order and enhance security, as you'll know exactly what each user can and cannot do. Now, it's time to create a specific role for your developer. This is done by adding a new role. Let's call it the developer role, and then setting its permissions. Choosing the right permissions is crucial as it will determine the areas of the store your developer can access. Typical permissions might include product management, theme customization, and other relevant tasks. This grants your developer the ability to work effectively without giving them unnecessary or sensitive access. Once you've set up and saved the developer role, you'll see it listed among your other roles. It's like having all your tools neatly arranged in your toolbox, ready for the right job. Now, it's important to ensure that the role is correctly applied. Navigate back to the Users section once more, and from there, apply the developer role to your developer. This step is like assigning a user in your digital workspace, equipping them with the right resources to get the job done. And with that, the task is complete. By following these steps, you've successfully given your developer the necessary access to work on your Shopify store efficiently and securely. It's a straightforward process that balances functionality with security, ensuring that your store remains safe while being developed. Thanks for joining me today, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.